Brad Hall here. Very excited about this one. I've got the Michael Air Jordan 11 Concord 45. I finally opened it up and I was really excited too. I've been waiting for this shoe for a while now and it's here. Now, I know there were a lot of pairs of this shoe. A lot of people picked up one. If you did, I've got some style tips for you. I'm going to share those in a second. But first, let's just talk about this shoe a little bit. The hero of this shoe, that patent leather, it's got a nice high cut, and the curves on it, they are so graceful. It just wraps around the foot effortlessly. Up top, you've got some nylon. You've got a Michael Air Jordan dunking, a 45 on the back, and also on that back, just one of the nicest backsides I've seen on a shoe. I love the way it just peaks and it curves, peak and curve, and a couple more curves. It's just something to behold and look at. Now down on the bottom, you've got that icy sole, you've got some carbon fiber, and there's some Concord down there on the herringbone. It's just got so many little treats down there. A fun shoe to look at all the way around. It's also a fun shoe to wear, and I've got some style tips for you. Since the shoe is such a star, I don't like to take away too much from it, so I go with a khaki pant just to keep it clean, not distract from the shoe at all. Then up top, keeping it clean again, distraction free. That pairs nicely with the khakis. This is a good base, the focus is on the shoe, but what you want to do, you want some balance for that outfit. Right now, the shoe, it's just weighted a little too heavy, so what I like to do, bring it all together, wear something dark up top. I went with a faux patent leather hat, just to really bring balance to that outfit. Patent down there, patent up there. Now more evenly weighted, but if you notice, it looks a little bit imbalanced around my midsection. I want to bring a little hint of dark, pulling out that black from the patent leather. So I go with a black leather accessory, and now my outfit is just, it's totally balanced, really well done, and it really highlights that Michael Air Jordan 11. So those are my tips. Find the right balance, and you're gonna really shine.